Do you still have mommy pouch after your C-section? And how to change it forever, इसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं आज की इस मास्टर क्लास में. So we are going to talk about how you can change this forever using scientific methods. If you still look pregnant, I assure you this master class is going to change एवरीथिंग फॉर एवर. हम इसके अंदर हर चीज़ के अंदर डिटेल के अंदर जाके बात करने वाले हैं, साइंस डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, आपकी साइकोलॉजी डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, क्यों ये सब होता है सब डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. दिस मास्टर क्लास इज गोइंग टू बी गेम चेंजिंग मास्टर क्लास होने वाली है ये पूरी तरीके से. यू विल फेल इन लव. आपको लगेगा दिस इज द बेस्ट 30 मिनट्स यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट, so you have to understand you don't have a fat problem. Yes, you don't have a fat problem. What you have instead is a biological survival response problem. That is what you have. We think it's a fat problem, but अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. This is a survival response problem. So yes, if you are still carrying stubborn belly fat months, even years after giving birth, after your C-section delivery, it's not because you are lazy. It's not because you are lazy, guys, but it is because your body thinks you are pregnant. Your body still believes, still thinks that you are pregnant. Because you need to understand, 300,000 years ago, if a woman lost fat, that just meant death for them. Yes, death हो जाती थी by starvation if something used to happen like this. So bodies evolve हुई, they evolved and they evolved for this one simple command, to hold fat, to store fat, ताकि you can be a mom that is healing after giving birth. You have to understand our bodies are made for survival. Survive करना सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़ होता है हमारे लिए. And after giving birth, दैट इज़ वट आर बॉडी वॉज ट्राइंग टू डू. हमारी बॉडी को नहीं पता था कि आज से कुछ साल बाद, कुछ हजार साल बाद हमारे पास 10 मिनट के अंदर खाना घर पे आने वाले जैसे डिलीवरीज होने वाली हैं. बॉडी को क्या लगता था कि खाना इज समथिंग जो बहुत ज़्यादा रेयर है, समथिंग जो बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है, जिसको हंट करना पड़ता है, गैदर करना पड़ता है, फिर कब मिलेगा पता नहीं. तो अगर कुछ भी ऐसा है तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होल्ड करो फैट होल्ड करने से क्या होता है हम बाद में बात करेंगे. बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर आपको अभी तक समझ आ रहा हो कि योर बायोलॉजी इज रनिंग ऑन एन एंशिएंट सॉफ्टवेयर. क्योंकि आप देखो जोमेटो है हमारे पास, आज हमारे पास इतने सारे फूड डिलीवरी एप्स हैं जो पहले नहीं हुआ करते थे. हमारी बॉडी अभी भी वो एंशिएंट सॉफ्टवेयर पर रन कर रही है, जबकि हमारे आजू बाजू की सराउंडिंग इज टोटली चेंज्ड, जिसकी वजह से काफी सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. एंड नो डाइट इन द वर्ल्ड कैन अनइंस्टॉल दिस एंशिएंट सॉफ्टवेयर जिसमें आपकी बॉडी रन कर रही है. इसकी वजह से काफी चांसेस के अंदर अगर आपका ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम है, तो आपकी बॉडी जो है आपके सर्वाइवल रिस्पॉन्स पे चल रही होती है. एंड कोई भी डाइट इस सर्वाइवल रिस्पॉन्स को नहीं ठीक कर सकती. एंड दैट इज वाई डाइट्स डोंट वर्क फॉर यू व्हाइल दे आर वर्किंग फॉर अदर पीपल. बट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द रियल मेथड टू रीसेट इट. कैसे आप इस सबको रीसेट कर सकते हो, ये बारे में हम आगे बात करने वाले हैं. स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट. उसके बारे में आगे जरूर बात करेंगे, पर पहले आप समझो व्हाट प्रॉब्लम्स यू फेस इज नॉट योर चॉइस. आप क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करोगे इज नॉट योर चॉइस, बट यू हैव द चॉइस टू हील फ्रॉम दोज प्रॉब्लम्स. ये आपकी चॉइस जरूर है. तो इसीलिए ये जो माइंडसेट होता है लोगों का, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा नेगेटिव माइंडसेट है, जिसके अंदर लोग सोचते हैं कि यार सारी प्रॉब्लम्स मेरे साथ ही क्यों होती है, मैंने चूज़ थोड़ी किया इन प्रॉब्लम्स को. तो जी हाँ, आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स चूज़ ही नहीं कर सकते, आप अपने पेरेंट्स चूज़ नहीं कर सकते, अपने जेनेटिक्स चूज़ नहीं कर सकते. बट आप पता है क्या चूज़ कर सकते हो? यू कैन चूज़ टू हील फ्रॉम दोज प्रॉब्लम्स. यू कैन चूज़ टू सॉल्व दोज प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड वो किस तरीके से करना है वो मैं ज़रूर आपको बताने वाला हूँ. खासकर सी सेक्शन डिलीवरी के बाद अगर आपका वेट गेन हुआ है, वो प्रॉब्लम आपकी सॉल्व करूंगा. बाकी प्रॉब्लम्स आप खुद सॉल्व कर लोगे, मुझे भरोसा है. और ये भरोसे के साथ मैं आपको बताता हूँ द इवोल्यूशन ट्रैप दैट नोबडी हैज टोल्ड यू अबाउट. हमारी बॉडीज जो इवॉल्व हुई हैं उसके अंदर हमें जो एक ट्रैप में हम फंस गए हैं, जिसके बारे में किसी ने आपको समझाया नहीं होगा अभी तक. तो अभी तक आपको ये तो समझ आ गया होगा कि हमारा सब ये इवोल्यूशन की वजह से हो रहा है, किस तरीके से हम इवॉल्व हुए हैं. एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी बॉडी कंफ्यूज नहीं है. इट इज नॉट कंफ्यूज, जस्ट ओबेइंग द इवोल्यूशन, जिसकी वजह से आपको ये प्रॉब्लम्स कहीं ना कहीं आप कह सकते हो कि फेस करनी पड़ रही हैं. अब आप सोच रहे होगे कि ये इवोल्यूशन जो है ये क्या प्रॉब्लम्स लेके आया है ऐसी. तो बड़े ध्यान से समझो. प्रेगनेंसी एक्टिवेट करता है फैट स्टोरेज मोड फॉर सेफ्टी ऑफ द बेबी एंड मॉम. बट आफ्टर बर्थ देयर इज वन नेचुरल ऑफ स्विच, जो नेचुरल बर्थ में बॉडी फिर भी एक रीसेट मोड में चली जाती है. एक नेचुरल ऑफ स्विच होता है जो कुछ वीक्स के अंदर काम करता है। इन सम वीक्स इट हैपेंस कि आपकी बॉडी एक रीसेट मोड में चली जाती है, आप रीसेट करने लगते हो, वो जो फैट स्टोरेज मोड है वो ऑफ हो जाता है। एंड ये सारी चीज़ें इसके अंदर होती है, जिसके अंदर एक ऑक्सीटोसिन का सर्ज बढ़ता है, एक एड्रेनलिन एंड नॉन एड्रेनलिन रिलीज होता है बॉडी के अंदर, प्रोलेक्टिन की भी स्पाइक होती है, एंडोर्फिन्स रिलीज होते हैं, एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड का एक्सपल्शन होता है। साथ में मदर की बॉडी को इस सब वजह से एक सिग्नल मिलता है कि ओके इट इज द टाइम टू रेस्ट। बट ये एक नॉर्मल प्रेगनेंसी की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, नॉट अबाउट द सी सेक्शन प्रेगनेंसी, दिस इज अबाउट अ नॉर्मल प्रेगनेंसी, जिसके लिए हमारी बॉडीज इवॉल्व हैं, हमारी बॉडीज इवॉल्व हुई हैं। जैसा मैंने कहा सी सेक्शन के लिए इवॉल्व नहीं हुए हैं, क्योंकि जब आप एक नॉर्मल बर्थ से गुजरते हो तो आपकी बॉडी में बहुत सारे एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड्स रिलीज होते हैं, एंडोर्फिन्स और ये सब क्या सर्ज होता है बॉडी के अंदर, जो एक नॉर्मल बर्थ में होता है पर एक सी सेक्शन बर्थ में होता ही नहीं है। तो ये सब कब होता है, दिस इज इन अ वेजाइनल बर्थ। एक नॉर्मल बर्थ के अंदर ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स हैपन, जिसकी वजह से आपकी बॉडी प्रिपेयर्ड हो जाती है एक रेस्ट मोड में जाने के लिए। एंड इससे क्या होता है, यू स्विच ऑन द फैट एंड रिकवरी मोड, फैट बर्निंग एंड रिकवरी मोड को आप ऑन कर देते हो इन नॉर्मल इन नॉर्मल बर्थ। अभी हमने नॉर्मल बर्थ का समझा, बट आफ्टर अ सी सेक्शन बर्थ बॉडी को ऐसा लगता है कि बर्थ जो है फेल हो गया है। जहां एक नॉर्मल बर्थ में बॉडी फील्स दैट ओके वी हैव सक्सीडेड, इन अ नॉर्मल सी सेक्शन बर्थ द बॉडी थिंक्स दैट वी हैव फेल्ड एंड फेल्ड मिजरेबली, जिसकी वजह से बॉडी के डेंजर सिग्नल्स जो हैं वो ऑन हो जाते हैं। अब नेचुरल बर्थ के अंदर जो रिकवरी का पाथ है विद लेस इन्फ्लामेशन वो होता है, बट विद सी सेक्शन दैट रिजल्ट्स इन मोर इन्फ्लामेशन, अ मोर इन्फ्लामेटरी पाथ। एंड जो हमारे बॉडी का नॉर्मल रीसेट मोड का स्विच था ऑन करने वाला, that just shuts off and this creates a lot of problems. अब इसके साथ साथ इन ancient times, पुराने टाइम के अंदर जब someone used to give a birth, उसके बाद वो पूरे तरीके से रेस्ट एंड रिकवरी मोड में चले जाते थे, एक फुल रेस्ट एंड रिकवरी मोड उनको मिलता था। बट आज ऐसा है बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि आपकी डिलीवरी होती है जैसे ही यू आर सपोज टू गो बैक ऑन द डाइट्स, you are supposed to go back and do your workouts, which is totally wrong. I don't support that, especially in C-section delivery, not at all, because in a C-section delivery your body, as you can see, goes through a lot of stress. It's not just a normal delivery, it's a freaking surgery, एक surgery है। So if someone tells you just another method of delivery, it is not, it's a full blown surgery। उसके बाद you are supposed, आपसे expectations होती हैं सबकी कि आप वापस जाकर you're going to work, अगर आप working हो you will follow your diets, जब आपको इतनी ज़्यादा cravings हो रही है, and with that you will follow your diets, and also you will handle the new kid while you are just trying. This is the first time that you have been there and you are supposed to do all of this after a big surgery, after probably the biggest moment of your life. And with this modern stress and C-section traps your body in ancient survival mode even harder, और ज़्यादा inflammation बढ़ती है और stress बढ़ता है, and the harder you push to come out of it, the harder you are trapped in, and this is where you feel stuck, you are stuck probably. तो अब क्या करें? So ये सही अप्रोच होना is very important, because you need to reprogram your biology instead of resisting it. जैसे मैंने कहा, you cannot fight it, you just need to heal it. तो जब आप reprogram करोगे आपकी बॉडी का वो जो एक ऑन स्विच होना चाहिए था कि you can rest, उसको आप ऑन कर पाओगे, and that is where your healing will turbo charged हो जाएगी, और उसके साथ साथ you will lose fat very easily. But to do so you need to understand how pregnancy changes your brain and metabolism. So on the contrary belief, pregnancy doesn't change your body. Yeah, it does change that, but not just your body. It changes, rewires the brain totally. Brain controls everything, and when it is in such an alarming mode, your whole body is set on an alarm. Something is wrong, we are in extreme danger. And the most dangerous changes after the pregnancy are the ones that you cannot see, because your hormones are shifting, your brain is hyperactive, and constant stress तो आपकी बॉडी की एक डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग ही बन जाता है। एंड सी सेक्शन की वजह से आपका ब्रेन भी रीसेट नहीं हो पाता, उल्टा एक डेंजर मोड के अंदर, एक अलर्ट अलार्मिंग मोड में रहता है, फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड में रहता है। एंड यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, ऑल वी आर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आर अ बंच ऑफ केमिकल्स, दैट्स ऑल दैट वी आर। हमारे हॉर्मोन्स हमें रन करते हैं, हमारे इमोशंस को रन करते हैं, हमारे मूड को, क्रेविंग्स को. एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट रन बाय हॉर्मोन्स विच आर जस्ट अ बंच ऑफ केमिकल्स एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. तो ब्रेन जो है वो हॉर्मोन्स को सिग्नल देता है, हॉर्मोन्स हमारी बॉडी चलाते हैं. बॉडी में जब हॉर्मोन्स कम होते हैं वो वापस एक ब्रेन को सिग्नल बॉडी देती है, ब्रेन फिर से हॉर्मोन्स को सिग्नल देता है, वो फिर से बॉडी में चलाते हैं, फिर ये फिर से सिग्नल होता है, और इस तरीके से एक एंडलेस लूप बन जाता है. एंड ये ही लूप को हम बोलते हैं the brain body feedback loop, in which the brain sends signal, the body responds to it, and the body sends signals and the brain responses with the feedback. And this is a very big loop जिसमें काफी सारे people are stuck. So if you are stuck in this system, you might feel fatigue, you might feel कि आपके अंदर इतनी एनर्जी नहीं है. You might feel that even if you are eating the same food that you were eating some years ago, still your body is gaining fat, it is holding on to fat. And this is when you know that you are stuck. You are maybe stuck in this loop, and you need to understand, if you are stuck, then you don't need to diet harder. That is the wrong thing to do. Instead, you need to metabolically reset this, and this is our metabolic reset pyramid that we use. Reset the brain, then we have to calm the nervous system, then the metabolism follows with it. So if you are facing all these problems, what is happening is आपका metabolism is in an override situation and it is not able to work that well. And so first you need to conquer that. If you are done with all this, then everything becomes easier. And जिसमें there is a big thing that you are not just fighting your food cravings. Food cravings evolve हुए हैं as a survival mechanism for us to prevent our death by starvation, जो पुराने टाइम्स में, एंशियंट टाइम्स में हुआ करता था. So in these ancient times, food was very scarce, and that is why we were very okay with fasting for long prolonged period of time. As हमारे ancestors को फूड को काफी बार हंट करना पड़ता था और गैदर करना पड़ता था, जिसमें इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो इट वाज नॉट समथिंग व्हिच वाज readily available like it is right now with just Zomato on your fingers. So our ancestor needed powerful cravings which they evolved with. So हमें चाहिए थी these powerful cravings. So उस टाइम में cravings was not a weakness, it was our superpower, and it is something जिसकी वजह से we are still here. So we need to thank them instead of just believing कि oh this is the whole issue, because it was a superpower, and this is the reason that we have reached here after surviving for so long. Survival के लिए it was very important, as it was very simple. If you don't crave food, you will die. If you don't crave food, अगर आप food के लिए you cannot hunt for food, if you cannot climb hills for honey and other things, then you are going to be dead, my friend. And आज वही powerful cravings जिनकी वजह से हम यहाँ हैं have become a weakness for us. But अब एक क्वेश्चन लोग काफी पूछते हैं, why do we crave unhealthy food only? हम unhealthy food को ही क्यों crave करते हैं? Why don't we crave healthy food like salads or protein? And that's because unhealthy food have hacked into our cravings, which was our superpower before. So क्या होता है, क्योंकि we crave for two types of unhealthy food. अब एक टाइप क्या होती है जिसके अंदर दे आर वेरी हाई इन कैलोरीज, सो दे हैव कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड कैलोरीज विच आर वेरी गुड फॉर आवर ब्रेन. सो इट हैज कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड कैलोरीज विच गिव द सिग्नल टू आवर ब्रेन कि ईट एज मच एज यू कैन, स्टोर एज मच एज यू कैन. पता नहीं फिर ऐसा फूड मिले कि नहीं मिले, बिकॉज पहले हमें ऐसा फूड बहुत ही मुश्किल से मिलता था, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली नहीं ही मिलता था, बिकॉज यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि उस टाइम पे फैट्स का मिलना वॉज really impossible. So our body's storage response kicks in these type of foods. And secondly, we love sugary foods. We love foods that are sweet. तो स्वीट क्रेविंग्स जो होती हैं, दैट इज बिकॉज ये स्वीट्स भी हमें पहले नहीं मिलते थे, बहुत मुश्किल से मिलते थे. यू हैव टू क्लाइंब हिल्स एंड trees for honey if you want such high caloric and concentrated food. You have to climb literally hills and trees to gather honey अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ मीठा खाने का मन होता था. and that was very scarce at that time. and what this does is all these sugary things give us instant energy. एक instant energy मिलती है which we are not very ready of. हमें पहले से instant energy मिलती नहीं थी. अगर थोड़ी भी कुछ instant energy वाली चीज हमें मिलती थी, then our body's response was कि gather as much as you can, eat as much as you can, store as much as you can, because this is what our body was evolved for. So this also kicks in the body's storage response, and that is the reason we love fats, which is highly concentrated calories, and we love sugary foods which give us instant energy. These are the two foods that we love. और इनका combination अगर हो fats with some sweetness and you add a bit of salt in it. So these are next level cravings for you. जो आपको McDonald's and all these fast food chains are serving, all the restaurants are just serving you. So now the issue is we are running on this ancient software जो is still craving for food for survival, जबकि we can order instantly 10 मिनट food delivery के options अभी available हैं and doorstep पे we can get food on our doorsteps, which was not something जो पहले होता था. पहले food scarce था, now it is something that is very readily available. If you have even some amount of money, you can buy the most tasty items easily. So now I think this would make you understand क्यों होती हैं ये cravings and why this is a superpower for us. But now let me show you how we can reset your brain, rebuild your metabolism, and then finally watch the fat loss happen using healing and science. Why does C-section alter your healing map? Kyun? So you need to understand C-section isn't just another way to deliver a baby. It's a completely different biological event. It's a goddamn surgery, to be honest. And it's a serious surgery because they cut 7 layers. Yes, 7 layers deep into you, and then you give the birth and your body feels something else which it does not feel in a normal delivery. Because see, if you have given a normal delivery, then your body feels that okay, it was a success and now I can rest and reset. But in a C-section delivery, it feels that it has failed. System पूरा hang हो जाता है and your body feels it has failed and failed miserably, and now you are in problem, my friend. So during natural delivery, your body floods with oxytocin, resets your cortisol, jumpstarts your healing. But if the C-section skips all of that, leaving you inflamed, leaving you imbalanced, leaving your body confused. So C-section may result in an inflammatory path for you. And that scar that you see on your body, it's just not a scar on your skin. It's an invisible scar inside you, in your hormones, in your gut, in your brain. And hard dieting, crash dieting just makes it worse for you. You need a holistic healing plan for your fat loss journey, because no amount of hard dieting, crash dieting and workouts can heal you from this trauma. Only holistic healing and the right approach and system can. And your gut is also damaged, and gut is something very important. It is not just for digestion, it is your second brain. And in this, a C-section mother and mom both lose critical amount of gut flora. And your good bacteria is something that you lack, and bad bacteria is something that comes in your gut and it overflows. And without this good gut flora, आपकी body का पूरा healing map उल्टा पड़ जाता है, because the microbiomes that are trained to regulate your immune system, control the inflammation and regulate weight are not there. And without them cravings बढ़ जाती हैं, problems और ज़्यादा increase हो जाती हैं, inflammation increase हो जाती है. So you need to fix the gut if you want to fix the body. Now what also happens is hormonal chaos. After your pregnancy, the estrogen, your progesterone, everything is in problem, but the real villain here is cortisol. Cortisol is your real villain, because after birth your cortisol is sky high. So your body starts freezing fat, it starts freezing your healing, and your body starts freezing your energy, and it goes into this danger survival mode जहाँ पे your body thinks everything is about fight and flight and you need to survive anyhow, and your body feels very alert, it feels danger, and it goes into this survival mode yet again. So cortisol has impact on your fat burning, because if cortisol is at top, then it blocks the fat burning in your body, and with that more issues happen. But what also happens is the stress response, which is your hidden fat loss killer, as your body cannot lose fat if it thinks that it is in a survival mode. So every time you crash diet, it is a circle that you are stuck in, and you are stuck in this circle again and again and again, which just leads to more fat gain. चाहे आप कितना भी ज़्यादा crash dieting कर लो, आप कितने भी ज़्यादा workout कर लो, gym चले जाओ, all it is going to lead to is more fat gain, more stress, which is going to lead to cravings, which is going to lead to insulin spikes, and this all over again, and you are in this loop. And if your fat storage mode is on, then your body makes everything into fat. You can understand this. Even if you eat an apple, your body is going to do nothing good with it, and it is going to turn it into fat. I have seen people who are on very strict diets, on extremely strict diets where they are not eating any fats at all and their triglycerides and cholesterol keeps rising every month. Why? Because they are stressed. Why? Because everything in their body is going wrong and their body is in fat storage mode. You need to understand stress then was for running from lions, for surviving. Right now we are stressed about working out, managing all the things, deadlines and boss and our babies and such things. Do you think it is something compared to running from a lion? Which was why we had this stress response, which made our body realize that there is danger. But if your body feels like it is stressed all the time and it is in this loop all the time, it is going to lead to more fat storage, nothing else. And in such cases, healing is the fastest fat burning strategy possible, because when you reactivate your fat storage mode and you prioritize healing to accelerate fat burning, the healing enables faster fat burning, and the fat burning process, or the fat loss process as we say it, becomes a whole lot easier for you. Now let's talk about why dieting makes you gain more weight. Because when you crash diet, when you do hard diets, your body is in this stress response जिसके अंदर your body signals to cling on to fat even more, to hold on to fat even more. So dieting after trauma, pregnancy, C-section triggers the opposite of what you really want. What you really want is fat loss, but it triggers something very opposite of it. So when you cut calories aggressively after giving birth, your body is in this stress response. It thinks that it is famine now, कि भूखमरी आ गई है, you are not able to find food anywhere. बिकॉज ऑलरेडी योर बॉडी इज इन स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स. उसके साथ साथ जब आप ऐसा करते हो, आपकी बॉडी को लगता है समथिंग इज एक्सट्रीमली रॉन्ग, वी नीड टू सेव एवरीथिंग दैट वी हैव, एंड दैट इज व्हाई योर बॉडी लॉक्स ऑन टू फैट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. द स्मार्टर वे इज टू स्मार्टली रिकवर फर्स्ट एंड देन स्ट्रेटेजिकली lose fat later, and that is something that we do at HFL. So at HFL हम लोग fat loss नहीं करवाते through suffering, through not letting you eat anything at all. We heal your body, and when your body is happy, it is very easy to lose fat with proper diet, with a bit of workouts and walking. What if half the fat that you see in your body is not just fat? Maybe it's inflammation. Because after pregnancy and surgery, आपकी body एक hyper alert state के अंदर होती है, and it is also highly inflamed as we can say. And in this, it stores onto fat, it locks fat in, it clings onto fat way more harder than before. And that is when no amount of workouts or cardio can do anything for you. But if you heal all this with a proper system, then fat loss becomes automated or way more easier. Even the scar tissue, which is the silent weight loss blocker here, because all you see is a scar tissue on your body, but what is inside your body? It's a whole traffic jam, and ये traffic jam is blocking fat loss. You need to understand that C-section is just not another way to deliver. It's a full-blown surgery. एक पूरी surgery है which is very deep. They cut 7 layers deep into your body in this surgery. So the impact of this scar tissue is not just pain or blood flow restriction or lymph drainage blockage. It also weakens your core muscles, it lowers your metabolism, and it increases stubborn fat pockets in your body, which you need to heal first, because there is a scar tissue buildup and you need to release this scar tissue buildup if you want a natural fat burning happening in your body, which is very crucial. And काफी लोगों में मैंने देखा है, this is not something they have worked even after months of C-section delivery. कई महीने हो जाते हैं, they don't work on this, and no amount of cardio can work on this, no amount of crunches can work on this. Even this can be dangerous for you in lot of things. So you need to heal this, and you need full body system recovery. You don't want your body to be stressed, you want your body to be calm, so that it can facilitate fat loss. And postpartum bodies are not meant for punishment, they are not meant for cardio and lot of workout, they are meant for healing, they are meant for rest in a lot of things. So क्या आपको हिट करना चाहिए, फास्टिंग करना चाहिए, क्रैश डाइट्स करना चाहिए, जिम चैलेंजेस फॉलो करने चाहिए इस टाइम पे? नो, दिस कैन फील लाइक एन अटैक ऑन योर बॉडी. ऐसा करोगे देन इट विल पुट योर बॉडी इन डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म, डिफेंस स्टेट, जिसके अंदर इट स्टोर मोर फैट एंड ऑल्सो योर एनर्जी विल फील लोअर थ्रू आउट द डे. मे बी दैट इज हैपनिंग विद यू. सो व्हेन यू पुश अ बॉडी विच इज ट्राइंग टू हील टू हार्ड, cortisol increases even further, scar tissue worsens even more, and fat clings even tighter. So healing looks soft and it feels like it is useless and very slow, but it is brutally efficient inside. So real fat loss happens in recovery mode, not in torture, not when your body is in alert, danger, warning state all the time. But this is where you need to understand the cortisol insulin trap, because cortisol and insulin is a deadly fat storage cocktail, because high cortisol makes you more insulin resistant, because if you have more cortisol, then that would lead to more insulin, and if you have more insulin resistance, that would lead to more cortisol, and this is a very never ending loop. So you need to first fight fat by calming the survival system, something that I am telling you to do. Now you need to understand something, which is the postpartum thyroid crash, which is invisible but deadly, as 1 in 5 women experience thyroid dysfunction and most don't even know it. And thyroid runs your engine in your body, and low thyroid is like running on a broken engine. And pregnancy demands these extreme hormonal adaptations, but you feel tired because of it, you feel cold because of it, you feel heavy because of it, and what you do is blame yourself instead of realizing it's just biological. So resetting thyroid function is crucial for fat loss and can restore the energy you forgot you had now in your college times maybe. But it's not just weight loss, it's restoration of sorts, it's healing, as I like to say it. And this is why emotional eating after giving a delivery is not just about willpower, but you can fix it for good, but you need to understand why that happens. Because after you give birth, आपकी बॉडी को एक सर्वाइवल शॉर्टकट मिल जाता है बाय क्रेविंग फूड्स. इसकी वजह से क्रेविंग्स काफी ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाती हैं, बिकॉज योर बॉडी वांट्स टू स्टोर एज मच फैट एज पॉसिबल. आफ्टर सी सेक्शन डिलीवरी स्पेसिफिकली योर बॉडी फील्स इन्फ्लेम्ड, योर बॉडी फील्स अंडर स्ट्रेस, एंड आपकी बॉडी जब भी स्ट्रेस में होती है इट फील्स कि खाना इज समथिंग दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड उसके बिना सर्वाइवल हो नहीं सकता, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग जो आसानी से नहीं मिलता है. सो योर बॉडी क्रेव्स मोर एंड मोर फूड, एंड द मोर एंड मोर फूड योर क्रेव, आपका वेट और ये सब तो गेन होने ही लगता है. उसके साथ काफी ज्यादा स्लीपलेस नाइट्स होती हैं इस टाइम पे, आप ज्यादा स्ट्रेस में होते हो, आपकी बॉडी के अंदर इतना स्ट्रेस और इतना रिस्पॉन्सिव होता है कि इट फील्स हाईली इन्फ्लेम्ड, जिसकी वजह से डिप्रेशन इस टाइम पे फील हो सकता है, जिसकी वजह से यू कैन फील एक्सट्रीमली लो एट दीज टाइम्स. एंड ये सब के लिए भी हमारे पास क्या एक ईजी डोपामिन किक है, दैट इज नाइस फूड, दैट इज अच्छा कुछ खाएं तो ये डोपामिन किक हमें मिलती रहे, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ सर्वाइवल शॉर्टकट, जिसकी वजह से क्रेविंग्स बढ़ती जाती हैं. देयर इज अ बाउंस बैक में जिससे काफी लोग बहुत प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रहे हैं, दैट इज कि एक बार आपका जैसे ही डिलीवरी हो गई, यू नीड टू बाउंस बैक इवन स्ट्रॉन्गर, इवन बेटर, एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय सेलिब्रिटीज, बट समथिंग दैट आई डोंट लाइक एट ऑल. क्योंकि अभी पीपल हैव मेड हीलिंग इनटू जस्ट अ मार्केटिंग स्कीम, बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट इज अ फुल ब्लोन सर्जरी दैट लीव्स अ स्कार इन योर बॉडी एंड यू नीड टाइम टू हील फ्रॉम इट. तो 8 हफ्ते के अंदर, 12 हफ्ते के अंदर यू डोंट नीड टू बी बैक ऑन ट्रैक. This is not something जो आप कर सकते हो, and this is not something that is healthy at all. You need to understand that healing should be first and fat loss should be second. So when you heal, fat loss becomes a side effect of it, not a struggle. It becomes way more easier, and that is when you can be happy while losing fat. And people think कि healing slow होती है, but healing isn't slow. It is a turbocharged process, to be honest. But to understand this, you need to understand that body is very smart. It knows how to handle everything, but body is not evolved for C-section. And all this inflammation, trauma, stress, and bad habits play with your bodily systems and hang them, जिसकी वजह से क्रेविंग्स काफी ज्यादा स्काई रॉकेट हो जाती हैं, एंड दैट इज व्हेन यू नीड टू फिक्स द फाउंडेशन टू रीबिल्ड एवरीथिंग, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी डू विद आवर रीबर्थ ब्लूप्रिंट फॉर सी सेक्शन मदर्स. ईट लेस मूव मोर सब बोलते हैं, बट इट इज अ डेथ सेंटेंस फॉर मॉम्स. सो ईट लेस मूव मोर, जो एक नॉर्मल लड़की जिसने कुछ बैड हैबिट्स के चलते अगर वेट गेन किया है, फैट गेन किया है, देन उसके लिए इट कैन वर्क प्रीटी वेल. बट अप्लाइंग दिस स्ट्रेटजीज टू प्रॉब्लम दैट आर वे मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स इज जस्ट स्टुपिडिटी, एंड इट कैन बी डेंजरस टू बी ऑनेस्ट, because after pregnancy your metabolism isn't normal, it's adaptive. Your thyroid downshifts, your hormones are in a state of panic, and your body is storing fat, locking onto fat, and that's why postpartum bodies need a different fat loss approach, because postpartum isn't just after pregnancy, it's a biological phase of recovery. You cannot apply any normal system to it. You need to understand the complexity of this problem and you need to tackle it that way. But if you handle postpartum physiology right, the results will come faster than you can think of. And that is what we do at HFL Holistic Fit Labs. Now, before telling about HFL, now let me tell you how the Rebirth Blueprint was born, which is my story, by the way. So I have been working with a lot of women athletes for a pretty long time now, and I was mainly helping busy people to get fit and get a toned body while improving their overall health. And holistic healing is something I was very much interested in always, and that was something I preached. But then I came across a C-section client. At this time I had a good understanding of female physiology, biology and anatomy and everything, and I made an anti-diet method which was helping a lot of women at that time. But when I came across C-section, I was amazed at the complexity of the situation and I wanted to understand it. I want to be a very good nutritionist. That is what my goal is. I want to be a very good nutritionist. I want to help a lot of people. And C-section was a very complex problem which I thought a lot of people would not be able to understand and would not be able to solve. And that is when I delved into it. And after diving into it, I understood the complexity and I wanted a system that could heal. Now I had a right system at that time, which was the anti-diet method, which I used for busy moms specifically, which I still use at the time, and it is working amazingly. But C-section was a bit more complex, and pregnancy and body issues, साथ में body changed a lot in the time of pregnancy, तो वैसे दिखने का burden ये सब था इसके अंदर, जिसकी वजह से मेरा रीबर्थ ब्लूप्रिंट जो मैं बना रहा था उसके अंदर आई डिसाइडेड कि आई कैन नॉट डू दिस अलोन. आई गॉट अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट टू वर्क विद मी एंड माई टीम, एंड वी वर्कड वेरी हार्ड to create an amazing system which we call the Rebirth Blueprint, which is powered by the anti-diet method. So our Rebirth Blueprint, which is powered by the anti-diet method, which has no crash diets, no starvation, no punishment, no hours of workout, just healing, rebuilding and thriving. Because we believe if you stop fighting your body and start working with it, healing it, then everything becomes easier. And that is why we help in healing, rebuilding and thriving and get amazing results for our clients. So we have 4 steps to this whole process that we use in our Rebirth Blueprint. And as I told you, we are against all this crash dieting, starvation, basically everything that feels like a punishment. We think कि healing is not done with punishing your body. It is done by understanding your body. How to flip off the fat storage mode, जिसकी वजह से fat बहुत ज़्यादा store है. How you can flip off the fat storage mode, जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा fat store हो रहा है आपकी body में. You can't burn fat until your body feels safe. क्योंकि fat is your body's armor. So your body feels कि fat उसे protect करता है. And your body wants to protect you. But when you heal, this healing switches off the danger signals in your body, जिसकी वजह से ये सारा जो fat है that was locking in. Now आप इसको healing का एक side effect समझ सकते हो. But for this side effect, you need to hormone reset yourself and you need to work on the core issues of your problem. That is something that we do at HFL Holistic Fit Labs. So now how we help hormone reset and how your body starts melting fat naturally and it becomes way more easier. Because if you reset your hormones first, then fat burning can become a side effect of it. And it will happen. So आपको समझना होगा there is leptin, ghrelin, cortisol, insulin, जो एक पूरा orchestra आपकी body के अंदर organize कर रहे होते हैं at every time. But this orchestra is not tuned right now. What you need is you need to tune this orchestra in the right way. जिसका tuning बिगड़ गया है after your C-section, after your delivery, after the stress. So when you do that, it is way more easier to get the ideal body success that you want. क्योंकि जब ये सिम्फनी में रन कर रहे होंगे, then आपकी बॉडी के अंदर एक बैलेंस होगा and balance inside will result in balance and beauty outside. So you need to understand hormones aren't the problem. Hijacked hormones are the problem for you. Hormones नहीं, hijacked hormones, because most mothers aren't overweight. They are overwhelmed. जिसकी वजह से आपके एस्ट्रोजन इज हाई, योर प्रोजेस्टेरॉन इज लो, योर कॉर्टिसोल इज एक्सट्रीमली हाई एंड योर लेप्टिन रेजिस्टेंस इज हाई एंड योर हार्मोन्स आर टोटली हाईजैक्ड. दे आर नॉट रनिंग द वे दे need to. So you need to balance them, and while balancing them you need to also work on your brain, you need to work on your stress. And काफ़ी लोगों के अंदर self worth is a problem, so you need to rebuild the self worth, you need to rebuild your identity, which is where our psychologist can help you. But if you can do it on your own, then good. But psychologists इस process को बहुत ज़्यादा fast कर देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से it was a zid to get a psychologist on board in my Rebirth Blueprint. You need to focus on core healing, which will help you in flattening the belly, the right way, because you don't need endless crunches, you don't need hours of cardio, you need core healing. Diastasis recti, your weak fascia, your scar adhesions, all can be healed. And flattening the belly after pregnancy is about pressure management, it's about fascia healing and scar release. So, if you repair the core, you can reclaim your waistline. And strength here isn't built by force, but what you need to do is heal the gap, rebuilding the gut brain axis for sustainable energy. So you need to work on healing the gut brain connection, because if your gut is sick, then your brain is stressed, and if your brain is stressed, your gut is sick, and this is endless loop. And इसकी वजह से your metabolism crashes as it responds to the stress of your brain, because you need to understand gut health and gut brain axis, which is very crucial also for emotional healing and hormonal balance. It also produces serotonin, which keeps you happy. It produces the majority amount of serotonin in your body. It also regulates your hunger, energy, and even sleep. So a weak gut would lead to a tired brain, and a tired brain, stressed brain would lead to a fatigued, pareshan body of yours. But if you rebuild your gut brain axis, your body becomes a fat burning and energy creating machine. Now these are real stories of women who reclaimed their bodies. So you can see theory अच्छी है, but results are real, and you have them in front of you. But if they could reclaim their body, energy, and confidence, why not you? Why not you do this with our systems, with our scientific and healing powered systems? But our rebirth blueprint is not for everyone. Who is the rebirth blueprint for and who it's not for? This is not for shortcut chasers जिनको बस जल्दी results चाहिए बिना हेल्थ को ध्यान में रखे. दिस इज नॉट फॉर पीपल हु वांट टू पनिश देयर बॉडीज, एंड उनको बहुत नफरत है अपनी बॉडी से, एंड दे फील कि अगर वो अपनी बॉडी को पनिश नहीं करेंगे तो रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, तो फैट लॉस नहीं होगा, तो हीलिंग नहीं होगी. एंड दिस इज नॉट फॉर पीपल हु वांट 10 kg वेट लॉस इन 10 days. उनको ऐसे क्विक फिक्स चाहिए, तो ये आपके लिए भी नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट फॉर द पीपल हु वांट कांस्टेंट डाइट चेंजेस. कि रोज जस्ट डाइट चेंज होती जा रही है तो उनको अच्छा लगता है. दे आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द रिजल्ट्स, की रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं कि नहीं, दैट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्टेड ऑफ changing the diet every day. But this is for the smart woman who is ready to heal instead of hustle, who is ready to feel powerful instead of punished, who is ready to reclaim her own body, the body that she really deserves. Are you that woman? क्या आप थक गए हो fast solutions के साथ that don't work? And now you are finally ready to heal yourself for good, to heal yourself last and final time. This can be your new future without diets, without shame, without exhaustion. You can wake up happily in the morning. आपको ट्रैक नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी calories. You won't feel depressed. You won't have to hide under baggy clothes. You can be confident. You can wear what you want. You can feel the glow on your body when you wake up. This is what you want, right? You want that happiness. You want to heal like our clients have. You want to see your old images and feel कि मैं अब यहाँ पे जल्दी पहुँच सकती हूँ. You want that old body back, right? So if you are here till now, then I know you are super serious. You are someone who wants to transform, which is amazing. Hats off to you. But now you only have two options in front of you. आपके पास दो फ्यूचर हो सकते हैं यहाँ से. पहला फ्यूचर जो मैं आपको बता दूँ, दैट इज कि आप वापस से जाओ, क्विक सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढो, आप वापस से जाओ, अपने पैसे सेव करने का सोचो, और डाइट्स खरीदो, क्विक फिक्सेस खरीदो, सोना बेल्स और ऐसी चीज़ें खरीदो, होम्योपैथी मेडिसिन खरीदो, which will lead to dissatisfaction and generic advice, uninformed resources say which don't understand your body well. Or you have another option, which is you buy this comprehensive program with me, you work with me one-on-one and with my team, with my psychologist, to understand everything, to heal your body from inside, to really get the results that you deserve, the body that you deserve. So I know that you don't need more motivation. You need a real solution, and that is what I am offering you here. That is what HFL is offering you here. And I promise you, this is going to be a game changer. This is going to be a life changer for a lot of people. आप 5 साल बाद जब बैठ के ये डिसीजन लेने के बाद सोच रहे होंगे ना, you will think that this was one of the best decisions that I ever took. I know I am someone strange for you, और आपको इतना ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट नहीं होगा एक स्ट्रेंजर पे. So taking this leap is hard, but just get on a call. Understand the process. take one risk and this can change everything for you. I hope that this really helps you and we can work together and next transformation हम आपकी दिखाएं. And get in contact with me. My assistant will talk to you and she will help you getting on a call with me, and then we can strategize your transformation and हम वो road map बना सकते हैं of how you are going to look 3 months after now, 6 months after now, 9 months after now. This is going to be a game changer for you.